Do you enjoy making an average salary and barely surviving the month? Well, if yes, then you might want to skip this video. But if not, you definitely need to continue watching. What if I say I have the complete roadmap for making 10 times more than your typical salary every single month? Wondering what it could be? Well, of course, it's affiliate marketing. The only method that can help you get rid of all the stresses like 9-to-5 jobs, rents, uncontrollable inflation, and layoffs. In today's video, I'll discuss the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing, as well as what mindset you'll need and a blueprint you can use for launching a successful affiliate marketing business. Excited? You should be, because you'll have everything you need to get started by the end of this video. But first, let's just get a small overview of what exactly affiliate marketing is and why you should dive into this particular space. For those who are not familiar with the term affiliate marketing, it is the technique of earning money by referring products to people who are interested in purchasing them. Many product brands operate an affiliate program through which affiliates can recommend their products to individuals within their network, while compensating the affiliates and increasing visibility and sales. Naturally, everyone requires word of mouth or direct marketing to generate sales. With the current inflation and challenging economy, if you are running your own online business, affiliate marketing is a must-have tool to supplement your income or even become your main source of income. Now, why should you opt for affiliate marketing in 2023? Well, its popularity and success stories have been increasing for years, and it continues to offer significant benefits. This is especially true for beginners. Several cost-effective tools have made it much easier to run a successful affiliate marketing business. But, and yes, there are some ifs and buts, you just have to deal with them smartly. First of all, you need to change your mentality if you're one of those who fall for shortcuts. Make $1,000 a week, earn while you sleep, and so on. You've probably come across phony gurus making such claims, flaunting their dashboards, a bunch of cars, and the fortune they made by affiliate marketing. Well, I'm here to tell you that's nothing more than just a trap to sell their useless courses. Crazy, right? You need to choose the road less traveled in order to avoid drowning in the red ocean. To be honest, affiliate marketing has the potential to change your life because it takes skills and hard work from which the majority of people try to find escape. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It demands time, consistent effort, an urge to learn, and a strong mindset to start seeing positive results. All I know is just to put your nose in it, and eventually you'll get damn good at it. Anyway, let's get to the roadmap I was talking about earlier. First things first, selecting an affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs on the internet to select from, such as Amazon Associates, Fiverr Affiliates, ActiveCampaign, ClickBank, and the list goes on. But how do you know which one is going to work for you? Well, there are three main things you need to consider before making a decision, and those are types of commission, commission rates, and the duration of a cookie window. Now, when it comes to the types of commissions, you'll mostly see the following three: pay per click, pay per sale, or pay per lead. Simply put, you'll be rewarded for either driving link clicks, sales, or marketing qualified leads. Now, talking about commission rates, it mainly depends on the company you're affiliated with. Rates can range from anywhere between 5% to 50%, depending on the type of commission you choose to get paid in. Just explore the company's affiliate platform and you'll get to see all the essential information. Now, what about the cookie window provided by the platform? Well, it can either last for 30 days, 45 days, 90 days, or you can go a full year with 365 days to generate sales before the cookie window expires. I won't go deeper into these specifics now, but I know you've got my point. With the help of these three factors, you'll be able to determine whether an affiliate program is right for you or not. Now, the very next step is to select a niche you want to work in. It could either be skincare, automotive, home and kitchen, or consumer electronics. Here's a tip. Any area you are aware of is the one you should go for rather than becoming a jack of all trades. Just remember, a niche or an industry can make or break your affiliate marketing business, so try not to hop around. Stick with one you're confident about. In this next step, you're going to need an audience to connect with. The best way to do that is to create accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And don't forget Pinterest. It's the perfect place to get unlimited impressions and reach. We already have a video on this channel talking about how to get killer impressions from Pinterest. Do yourself a favor and go watch it after this video. Basically though, all you need is to share valuable and relevant content while engaging with the audience and building a relationship with them. It might take you a while, but believe me, it's worth spending your time on. You need to send the vibe of reliability and authority to your audience in your niche to win your followers' trust. Share exciting posts, stories, and reels to grab the attention of your potential customers. Remember, at this point in time, we are not going to share any sort of affiliate link. Our first goal is to get at least 1,000 followers first. The moment we achieve that milestone, we can move on to monetizing that particular customer base that is loyal, trusts you, and is willing to take action on your shared affiliate product links. Okay, so what next? Well, now we need to opt for a product in your niche to promote while checking its market demand and competition. Sounds hard, but it's really not. Free tools like Google Trends can help you analyze and evaluate a product's demand in the market and the level of competition you'll face while promoting it. It has a user-friendly interface so you won't get lost, but still you can watch some tutorials to have a good grip on it. However, before we move on to the next step, keep this in mind. The selection of the product for this particular strategy matters a lot. Do proper research and analysis before you pitch it in front of your followers. Here's another tip. Go for low-ticket or medium-ticket items to get more conversions. So as we have got an affiliate program, a niche, an audience to monetize, and a product to promote, it's time for action. All you need is a landing page to direct your potential customers on. Well, why a landing page? Just share the link, direct the traffic to a landing page, and generate sales. You've already created your presence on social media, and now all you need is to influence that set of audience to take action. But how do you create one? Well, to begin with, you might want to invest in a domain name and hosting service. When purchasing a domain name that aligns with your chosen niche, I recommend using Namecheap as it has proven to be the best platform in my experience. Now, as for hosting, consider using Cloudflare, which is cost-effective and offers amazing discounts. Once you have acquired a domain, you can utilize ClickFunnels 2.0 and its landing page templates to create a simple yet effective website. Having a full-fledged website is a valuable addition to your affiliate marketing toolbox in the long run. Now, I won't delve into the technicalities of the entire website setup process. Maybe we'll do that in another video. But you can certainly use the link in the description to access free training and enjoy a trial of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, for the final step, simply create a post on your social media accounts, share the affiliate product link in your bio, and direct your followers to the landing page you have created. Interested individuals are likely to visit the page and make a purchase. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also run Facebook and Instagram ads to reach a larger audience. And guess what? You can even include an email form on your landing page to collect email addresses for future email marketing purposes. Speaking of which, this channel has recently uploaded a video that covers everything you need to know about email marketing, so be sure to check that one out. Now in the end, I'll just say that affiliate marketing has the potential to change the way you earn if you stay consistent. Just keep on experimenting and changing strategies according to the data you'll receive. Well, that's all for this video. If you liked what you learned about affiliate marketing, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to see those. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Take care.